Hi everybody, thank you for watching. It's officially my first fall makeup look of the year. I cannot believe we are in like mid-September right now. The time is just flying by, but I got a bunch of new products in PR the past couple of weeks and I really wanted to try some of them out for today's video. So if you guys want to see how I got this makeup look right here, a full face look, then please keep watching. So to start off today's look, I'm going to be trying out the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Primer. I'm going to do 3 pumps and apply it all over my face. So I really wanted to try out a new foundation for today's video. I had a couple different PR kits that were sent to me the past couple of weeks, but because I just gave myself a spray tan, I don't have any that match me, so I'm just going to go in with my favorite, which is the Fiona Styles. So I got really far in this video and realized that I wasn't recording. So I did off camera my brows and my nose contour. I used my Anastasia Brow Wiz and my KRYOLAN Cocoa Foundation because these products aren't new and you guys have seen me use it a million times. If you want to see how I do those little steps, you can watch my most recent Get Ready With Me. But I cannot believe how far I just got. I had to wipe off all my makeup and restart it. So the concealer that I am trying out for the first time today is the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer. So these ones are brand new, I just got them in PR. So this color is Natural Tan. It was a little dark, so I'm gonna mix the two, but I'm gonna put a little bit of this. And I really like the consistency of these concealers. They really remind me of like the Shape Tape consistency, considering I just how to do it. But yeah, they cover really nice, they blend out really nice, they're not drying. And I just placed like a big order at Ulta about a week ago because I ran out of my Shape Tape. And I've gotten so many in PR before, but they always send me the wrong color. So I went out and I bought a couple and they were $29 online. I thought that was like extremely like expensive. I was actually pretty shocked. So I don't know how much these CoverGirl ones retail for. I'll list it in the video, but they are, I would say, really comparable. I'm gonna see how it looks once I set it and everything, but I love how they blend out. I'm gonna put a little bit more on the sides of my nose, and I'm gonna blend that out with the Dome Shadow Brush by Moda. This one is what I've been using in place of the Tarte brush for the past couple of weeks.
Plug in downstairs. If you need me for anything, let me know.
Okay.
Definitely when
you're...
you're...
Barry behind me? Aww.
Yeah. He snuck in. Look at Bear. He's jealous. You want a kiss too?
I have like a bear hair on my nose or something.
Let me see.
I'll peel it. So for setting powder today, I'm going to try out the new Anastasia Loose Setting Powder in the color Vanilla. And I'm just going to smooth out my under eyes and set them. I swear this lighting is going to be the death of me. It keeps getting bright and then dark and then bright. And I gave myself a spray tan yesterday and I think I got self-tanner on my lip because I woke up today with like a brown mark on my lip and it looks like a bruise and it's really bothering me. Unless it is a bruise. But I think I got self-tanner on me because it just appeared out of nowhere yesterday and I just don't understand. Okay, so let's wipe away the powder. You know how many times I've tried like new concealers with new setting powders and it just looked so bad, like really dry under my eyes. So it actually looks like these two combined are a good mix, hallelujah. To bronze up my face, I'm going to try out the Waka Waka Mineral Baked Bronzer from Il Makiage. It's pigmented. Wow, you like barely have to touch it and it's like really nice. I love the color of it. It's like a nice, wow, pretty. Normally with bronzers, I have to like dig into them, do like a lot of layers. But honestly, like this is definitely gonna be my new bronzer. This is like amazing. All right, so now moving on to eyes. I'm so excited to be trying out the new So Jaded palette from Kathleen Lights. I love all of her collabs she does with ColourPop, and this one is just amazing. There's crystals all over it, and these colors are just insane. I personally love ColourPop, and I personally love Kathleen. I got to meet her in Miami, I think it was like 2 years ago, and she's just as sweet as she is in her videos, so congrats to Kathleen. Can't wait to try it. When I was looking at all these colors, I was kind of like really drawn to this like deep teal, especially with fall coming up. I did like one more round of like summery nails because I'm like, I'm not ready for fall, but I think for today's look, I'm gonna go in with that like deep teal. And what I've been really loving lately is just kind of doing like basically a one eyeshadow eye makeup look. It's just been like my go-to. The other night I did like hot pink for the Casey Musgraves concert, which by the way, it was the best concert that I've ever been to. Well, besides Miranda, those are like my two number ones. And I just had the best time ever, and she's so amazing. And yeah, so if you guys want me to recreate that look, I can show you guys a quick little video of my makeup. Let me know, and I will happily recreate it for you guys. So I'm gonna grab the color turquoise and apply it all over my lid. I feel like this color just screams fall. And it's super pigmented, which is really nice. And then I'm gonna go in with a blending brush, and I'm gonna pick up that same color and just start blending it into my crease. Actually, you know what, before I do that, I'm gonna grab a larger blending brush, and I'm gonna go in with a little bit of rose quartz and just like lightly apply that in the crease, like above the shadow. Guys, I'm sorry about the lighting in this video. Every time I look, it's like light and then it's dark and it's light. It's really annoying. Alright, so yeah, now I'm gonna go back in with the turquoise and then start blending that into my crease. I'm gonna take something with a flat edge and I'm just gonna drag out that turquoise a little bit. I'm gonna grab a little bit of You're a Gem. It's like a little bit of that orange. And I'm gonna apply that up on top as well. Just a little bit. I think I just wanna leave it like matte. I'm gonna grab a little bit of Stoned and just do it on like the outer V, just to add a little bit of dimension. Yeah, perfect. There was literally like no fallout at all, which is crazy. To highlight under my brow, I'm gonna use Pearl and also in my tear duct. This palette's so beautiful. Like I really love the pigmentation and everything, and we all know it's gonna be affordable. I don't know the exact price either, but I will check for you guys. I'm gonna align my upper lash line with the Too Faced Better Than Sex waterproof liner. For my lower lash line, I'm gonna use the same turquoise. And then what I did for the Casey concert, which I am obsessed with, I'm gonna take, I have the turquoise rhinestones, and I'm just gonna do like 3 on my upper eyelid, like over by my eyeliner. The first one's gonna go right where the tail is. You don't want it to go over the liner, just right on top. And then one in the center. good. I love it. One right there. Like all spaced pretty evenly apart. I feel like rhinestones just make everything better. These rhinestones I got from Michael's, by the way. They're the SWAROVSKI ones. Pretty much bought out the whole store and got every color. So for mascara, I'm gonna try out the Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. It's also fairly new. I do have lash extensions on, so I'm not gonna do any strip lashes today. And then I'm gonna line my inner lash line with this new LA Girl liner in Gypsy Teal. And I'm gonna do my lower lash line. I'm gonna apply a little powder under. And I'm gonna do the Flower Beauty Lash Warrior on my lower lash line just because I know it's not gonna leave those black marks and I don't wanna risk it because I love how this makeup look looks. And I'm going out tonight, so I wanna make this last. So I'm gonna wipe away the powder. And guys, like I'm really obsessed with how this look came out. Obviously this is a nighttime look, and to set my face, I'm doing the LA Girl Fix and Set makeup spray. I tried the shimmer version of that one. This is just the regular one, but I really like it. LA Girl has amazing products, by the way. Like for that price point, you really cannot beat that. For blush, I'm gonna try this new one. It is by ColourPop. This is Fresh and Peachy. This is pretty. I'm gonna highlight my nose, the most favorite part. I'm gonna use the color Pearl. So nice. And this eye look to me is just screaming for a little bit of Luna. I can't. From my collection with Il Makiage. That's restocked, by the way. It's back in stock for anyone who missed it the first time. And I'm gonna go over that with Libra from my collection as well. My favorite nude in the entire world. I feel like it goes with every eye makeup look, but I don't know, as I was doing my eyeshadow, I was like, you know what, I need to use this combo because with this eye look, I think it's perfect. So this is the final result. I'm absolutely obsessed with this makeup look. By the way, I just got all of my earrings organized. Does this remind you of like old school me? So I had to throw these on because they just matched too perfectly. But I absolutely love all of the new products that I tried out today. I am very pleasantly surprised with the concealers, especially because they are a drugstore brand, and honestly, I would compare them to the Shape Tape, but they're probably about half the price. And of course, I love Kathleen's new palette. It's so beautiful. I will definitely be recreating this look throughout the fall time. It's perfect for like a night out, and the rhinestones just give it like that little extra touch. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys later.